choose was used and misled, bitch. I'm hoping you fucking rest in peace.
Something wrong with you, bro?
What? What's wrong with you?
On your phone.
What's on you?
Oh,
shut up.
You almost mowed
Hey,
over
shut
the
up.
fucking pedestrian. Talking to you, buddy.
Hey, you fucking hit my car! Why you hit my car for? I got you on camera.
Do that.
I got you on camera. I got you on camera.
Motherfucker on your phone.
I got car,
running a red light.
Bullshit.
Over a fucking pedestrian. You did that.
Get away from me, I'll spray you.
You'll spray me, then you'll be going to jail today, sir.
I got you on camera.
Yeah, great.
Got you on camera.
You film whatever the fuck you want. You're on your fucking phone, running a red light
shut up.
in the middle of an intersection.
Typical white trash,
You almost
shut up.
killed a pedestrian. What do you got there, sir? What do you got? Oh, you got a phone. That doesn't scare me.
Yep.
I wish you had a gun, because
Okay.
then you could actually go to jail for something.
Oh, really?
Please don't do
Oh,
anything.
really? You gotta hit my
What
car.
about you? I'd recommend not parking your van in the park, bro.
Okay, ooh,
That's
howdy
what I'm gonna
guy.
tell you.
Okay, white
Go
boy,
ahead.
shut up.
Do it, don't do it.
Okay.
I recommend not doing it.
All right.
Yeah,
Scram.
yours by me.
Scram.
Man,
Scram.
I tell you something. You run over
I didn't
one of
run over
kids
anything,
in
so
the
shut the fuck up.
Running a red
I'm gonna
light
post
on your phone.
I'm gonna post this on Twitter.
Your fucking life.
Okay.
I'll tell you that right now.
Oh, really?
On camera.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
A bunch of people saw it, bro. Intersection. Running a red light on your phone.
Okay.
You get over there.
Okay.
And you almost mow over a fucking pedestrian. The fuck is wrong with you?
Shut up.
What
Fuck
the
up.
fuck is
Shut
wrong
up.
with you?
Fucking white boy, get away!
I hope
Racist!
you have a house.
Yeah, get away, yeah.
Where did racists come from? Where the fuck did
Yeah,
that
you pick
come
on me
from?
because I'm not a white guy, right?
Sir, I didn't even know what color you were when you
Bullshit.
fucking almost killed that lady.
Oh, come on.
I didn't know.
I have a
couldn't
camera.
see behind.
I have my camera right here, okay?
Great. Well, why don't you fucking view it and see what color the light was when you
Because,
went
yeah.
through it?
Oh, shut up.
And I recommend not using that camera.
Oh, really?
I hope you
Oh,
own a
really?
house. You hit
Talk
somebody.
rice, okay.
somebody's
Oh, from the
injured for
mainland
life,
guy,
you're
howdy
gonna
guy,
lose your fucking
talking-
house. You understand that?
I understand that. Fucking white boy. Get lost.
You're the racist one. I didn't even mention race.
Yeah, why did
You're
you
the
hit my
only
car?
one that
Why did you
brought
hit
it
my
up.
car? It's okay, I'm calling the
The
cops on
irony
you.
is you're calling me racist.
Yep, calling the cops
I don't
on
give
you.
a shit. You feel me? What the fuck did I do? You're the one committing all the crimes. I'd be concerned. This is somebody that's going to kill your family.
Yeah, really, really,
about
you're
me.
crazy.
But he's the one
You're
that's gonna
crazy.
kill you
Shut
someday.
your ass up and get lost, please.
Get lost? Okay, well, I'll patrol. Why don't you leave, sir? If you feel unsafe, why don't you find a police officer? Why don't you do that? Motherfucker.
Shit. White boy.
Go get
Okay,
it.
yep.
Get it, bro. You got it?
937
Good.
XBP. Yep, I got it. Yep.
Okay.
That's okay. Got your face still, okay.
Clear shot of my face? Yeah, this is the guy.
Racist white boy right here.
Right,
Racist guy, because
there you go, white boy.
yeah, because you're picking
Because
on
you
me.
ran a fucking
Yeah,
intersection
I didn't run any fucking.
on your fucking
Oh,
phone,
shut up.
a red light, and you almost killed a pedestrian.
Yeah, I need an officer here on Alamoana Park. This motorcyclist chick. Okay, shut up. Get lost. No. All right. Yeah, so I was just driving, entering the driveway over there.
A esta hora está difícil porque hay mucho movimiento ahora. Ay, ¿cuánto?
About themselves. Pastors and ministers told their congregations that they were each uniquely special in God's eyes and were destined to excel and not be average. Business and motivational and were destined to excel and not be average. Business.
I recognize and appreciate and reward.
Whoa, bro. What the fuck?